my opinion, man, growing up, bro, the 90's was fucking lit, man. And I'm not even just talking from a nostalgic point of view. I mean, it had it all. This was the time before the internet, you know what I'm saying? The time when you had to go out and actually communicate with people instead of sitting at home. Although we did have a house phone and shit, but, you know, we all had to share the same damn line. And I ain't gonna lie, growing up, my grandma, she had a lot of friends. So a lot of friends equal a lot of phone calls. And then shit pissed me off more than being caked up on the phone, you know what I'm saying? When my girlfriend and whatnot, and I hear that, you know, the little, you know what I'm saying? You know, the little sound, the little call waiting sound, man. Fuck up everything, bro. Hey, look, my grandma was the type of person, man. She'd just try to like sneak and listen in on the phone call. Man, I used to hate that shit, bro. But besides that, man, child was pretty lit, man. You know what I'm saying? I really think I had like my most fun as a little kid. You know what I'm saying? Growing up in the 90's. So I came across a compilation of videos called Sounds Every 90 Kids Know Just by Hearing It. So you know what? We had to put that to the test. I tell you what, if you want to play along, I want you to close your eyes and just listen. And if you can get most of them right, then you really know about the 90's. I think I know about them, so we're going to try it out and see. Oh, not the Windows 95. PlayStation. Oh, okay. That was Windows. I'm tripping. AOL. That's AOL. Do y'all know the struggle it was of trying to get online while your parents was using the fucking phone? I couldn't talk to my bitches because my grandma wanted to talk to her old ass friends about cruises and shit. You know what's crazy though? Everybody, like especially in Atlanta, all the girls had like the same little screen name. ATL Princess 404. ATL Hottie 678. Tweety Girls 770. Come on, man. Oh, yep. That's the pinball machine. I knew it. That pinball machine game. That's PlayStation. The original. Hey, man. I love that. That was one of my favorite consoles, man. All right. What's this? Sega! Never mind. Everybody know that. Oh, Game Boy Color. Yes. What is this? Konami? Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles. So many good movies started with this motherfucker right here. So many of them. That's crazy. Hey man, what y'all know about this one? What y'all know about this one? Lion King, Fantasia, Mulan, Tarzan. Wow. That's crazy.
Oh, say hi to your girlfriend for me.
Yeah, say hi to
Oh,
your
three
girlfriend.
ninjas.
She's not my girlfriend, okay? Rocky
Loves Emily. Rocky loves Emily. Rocky loves. What y'all know about that
My
one? Wait a
brothers
minute.
are retarded.
What time are you guys gonna
Oh, they can't even say that word no more.
Around 40
Oh, they can't even say that word no more.
are retarded.
What time are you guys
Oh, you can't say that no more, bro.
Around 40
We are looking for Blues Clues.
Face.
We are looking for Blues
Yeah.
Clues. Oh, hi. It's me, Face. Get ready to look for some clues.
Wow. Power Rangers. Friday night, when you're room chilling. Cartoons. Cartoons. They play every single one of them. Now this the one I remember the most. This one right here.
Cartoon.
Yeah, that's the one I remember.
On the Lord Hut, here a hut, Nick. On the Lord Hut, here a hut, Nick. On the Ricky Ticky Low, while living number one.
I remember this one. That
Nick.
I know that one though.
Nickelodeon.
I know that one.
Nickelodeon.
It's sometime in
Oh
the
shit.
The
But what y'all know about that Crossfire? I never had one, but the commercials though, they used to always come on. They was so action-packed with it. Look, they happy as hell playing this board game. It's action-packed ass shit.
Crossfire. You'll get caught.
Running swing here? I don't think so.
See, back then commercials were so fucking cheesy.
Here? I don't think so.
I'm sorry. I mean, I thought they were. Oh, Discovery Zone. Ooh, wait a minute. See, that was like Chuck E. Cheese for like the bigger kids. You feel me?
It's all here.
What the fuck happened to that?
I don't think so.
Man, y'all started taking the kids out more, man. Make them bring this shit back.
Butterfly in the sky.
Whoa.
I can go twice as high.
Whoa.
Take a look.
You can't even be like past 96 and know what the fuck this is. Y'all wasn't watching this shit.
I can go anywhere. Friends to know and ways to grow. A reading rainbow. I can be anything.
I don't know the song.
Take a look.
Come on.
It's in a book.
Come
A
on.
reading rainbow.
Let's get it on.
A reading rainbow.
This old ass show. Jesus Christ.
Now your child can visit steamy jungles, grassy plains,
Look at
and
these
the
zoo
dark
books.
depths of the oceans to meet and learn surprising facts about the magnificent animals
Hey,
that
man.
live there. All through the
As a
captivating,
kid, bro, you
colorful
wanted
pages
these
of
motherfucking
The
magazines,
publication is
man.
specially created for young
This
readers.
shit made you
Each
love
monthly issue of
animals.
Zoo Books is packed with breathtaking full-color photos and scientifically accurate illustrations, plus games and puzzles.
What the-
Today, through this
Man, they probably had a
exclusive
real
TV
monkey with
offer,
them.
You can get 12 fascinating issues of Zoo Books for the special price of $19.95. When you call and use your credit card, we'll include the elephants issue as a
Look,
gift.
had
Plus,
kids
you'll
asking their
also
mom
get
and
the
dad for their
colorful
credit card
collection of animal
information.
stickers and the
Now,
tiger
see,
poster.
but I mean, it's the
order
same
Zoo
thing
Books
now, but now they
today
run
and send
Roblox.
Learning and fun to a child you
Roblox?
love.
212
Whatever.
fascinating issues of Zoo Books for $19.95. Call
And he sounded a little drunk. He slurred his words a little bit. What did he say?
Special price of
212 fascinating issues of Zoo Books for
Fascinating
$19.95.
issues
Call
of Zoo Books.
1-800-444-4124.
That nigga did that shit on his phone.
2400. You must be 18 years or older to call.
Ready to sing goodbye?
I am.
Wow.
Cool. So long, farewell to you, my friend.
I don't give a fuck how gangster you is, nigga. Your ass say this song, bro. You gon'
So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now.
you look.
Until we
Your ass
meet
gon'
again.
goddamn say that
It's
shit.
been great to play and sing together.
In the box.
And now it's time to say goodbye. So long, farewell to
Hey, okay.
you, my friends.
Hey, I'm high. That shit just snapped.
For now, until we meet again. Goodbye for now.
That's crazy.
Until we meet again.
That's crazy, man. Hey, listen, man. The 90s had some good shit. And if you disagree, you a fucking hater. Or you were born in the 2000s. Either way it go, same thing, right? That's my opinion, I guess.